Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the code which you can use to change your mobile money pin. Why do you need to change your mobile money pin in the first place? In most of the times we have become so suspicious when we are withdrawing money from the mobile money shops, or if we give our phone to someone to go and do for us a mobile money withdraw from the mobile money shop. And in the end we stop depositing money on our mobile money accounts just because someone else knows our mobile money pin. Yet mobile money is one of the safe places where we can keep our money, and in some cases we have seen some people who might be so busy, or even if they are sick and you happen to send your money on their mobile accounts, they will go themselves and get that money from their mobile money account just for the fear of letting you know their mobile money pin. Now that shouldn't be a fear anymore, or your mobile money account, your mobile money pin shouldn't be a secret anymore after knowing this code. Here is the code which you can use. It's Now this is the code. Now choosing Airtel. So here the first time is that you have to first know your old pin. Let's say my old pin was 00. Now I want to enter my new pin. Let's say I want to 11. Now I will enter my new pin. I think you can see it is showing success. Now if someone wants to withdraw money from your account, you can set a default pin. Let's say you give them that pin to go and withdraw that money. If you want, you can change to a new pin which you want. Now in most of the times when you have changed your mobile money pin, there are some cases whereby you happen to forget your mobile money pin, and when you do put in your mobile money pin like 4 times, your account will be blocked. So if you're sure you want to know how you can be able to unblock your mobile money account, I've put a link down in the description. Click on it such that you can be able to know that.